welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Hobak Tteok cake, which is Korean pumpkin rice cake. Let's get started. That was a little weird intro. Hello guys. It's gonna be Halloween soon, so I'm gonna make something out of pumpkin. And I'm gonna make the Hobak Tteok, which is a Korean pumpkin rice cake. Korean never celebrate the Halloween. It's a pretty new thing, so it's not Halloween food, but I'm gonna make it super spooky. So this can be Korea's first Halloween food. So microwave 8 minutes. I tell you earlier. Coffee. While we're waiting for my magic, let's get bowl. Strainer. Woo! In this bowl. Change position. We need 2 cups of rice flour. Woo. Trainer, work by yourself. I'm gonna pour the rice flour. It's working. Make sure to do it twice or 3 times. And place it into the stainless bowl. After 8 minutes, we're gonna slice it into half. Quarters. 8. And then flip the pumpkin and spoon out the seeds. And put it to the side. Next, get a pot and get the steamy thing. Place it in a pot and put your pumpkin inside. Oh, I forgot to add water. Add water first. Fill it halfway up to the steamer thing. And cover the pot. High heat for 20 minutes. I think this is not enough, so we're gonna add 2 more cups of the rice flour.
You should talk like a wizard.
What does a wizard talk like? Only wizard I know is the Harry Potter.
Harry
Potter? But we need some sugar. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon per 1 cup of the rice cake. Okay, since we added 4 cups of rice flour, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you like sweet, you can add more. If you don't, put less. And we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And strain them again. After 20 minutes, we're gonna turn off the stove. Ooh, looks nice. And then we're gonna put the pumpkin into the cutting board. Use a knife to get the skin off. Every 3 cups of rice flour, we need half of a pumpkin. So we're gonna add a little more than a half. And have a little taste. I guess it's really pumpkin season. It's really sweet and soft. It cooked really well. Mush it up. After you mush it up. Okay, you get what I mean. Put the rice flour into the stainless bowl. And then we're gonna add half of the filling into the bowl and mix well. Warm! Like it's not hot, but it's not cold. It's warm. Like it's like when you take a shower, there's like a perfect temperature. Like that. After you mix well, we're gonna add the rest of the pumpkin. After you mix well, you need to strain it again. Yeah. 2019 Halloween. I'm gonna win. Give me another rhyme. After straining all of it, we need a pot and we're gonna pour water into the pot. Pour enough water to boil 30 minutes. Get a bamboo steamer on top of the pot and then we need a damp cloth put on top of it. And on top of that, we need the metal circle. The metal circle for cake. I took out the bottom, so I'm gonna put on top of that. And the circle thing, we're gonna pour the pumpkin powder. Use a whisk to even it out. And then get your wand. Abra, cadabra, 30 minutes! And ooh. Take the circle thing off. Place the plate on top of the cake and flip it. Abra, cadabra! Oh, it's hot. Since we have a rice cake, now we are gonna make it I'll let it cut it, and I'm gonna make a ghost on top of it. Sugar time! Can't touch this! Can't touch this! And then I'm gonna use the purple sweet potato powder. Wingardium-Leviosa. Let's give him an eye and a mouth.
That's so cute.
Hey!
Wait,
No,
no, I
I'm
can
gonna do
fix
it.
it.
No, you just mess it up. I will do it.
No, no! No! No!
Stop! Go away!
Wait, other way.
What? Other way? Like this way? Okay. That's cute. That's
Fix
cute.
it.
Oh, ready to eat! It's so cute. It's so spooky. Alright. Let's see. It's a Hobak Tteok. It tastes so good. I mean, this is really different kind of the rice cake. Usually rice cakes are 쫀득쫀득, which is squishy. But since I use a non-glutinous rice flour, this is not squishy. It's a really different texture. It's more dense and fluffy, and I like it. Not many people know, but this kind of rice cake, it goes really well with the coffee, like Hobak Tteok. Since I add a little bit of sugar, it's not that sweet, but if you like sweet thing, I suggest you to put like a 2 or 3 more tablespoons of sugar. But this is perfect for me. usually people don't make rice cake at home, and especially Hobak Tteok, they usually don't make it at home. And you just go to the rice cake shop or like a Subway or down the street, they sell the Hobak Tteok and people get it there every time. And even my mom never made duck for me, so I feel like I'm better than her. Halloween is coming, so don't make apple monster or Oreo spider that you usually make. Try to make this spooky pumpkin rice cake. And if you make it, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Kwonscorner submitted. I'm gonna put the link down below. So hope you have a spooky Halloween. I'm gonna put a spell on you so you can press like, comment, and share this video. Share it! Bye bye! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to do the episode. See you next week. 안녕.